What's up guys, Michał from Tech Test Tutorials, and in today's video I would like to show you how the new iOS 9 performs on a little bit older devices such as my almost 3 years old iPhone 5. We would like to answer the question whether this iOS will brick your phone. Obviously not, but how it does perform. Will this slow your phone or not? So let's find out. Now, the first problem that I had was probably related to the fact that I was early adopter, so I've started the installation 30 minutes after it was available. Well, I couldn't download the thing for the first 20 minutes. It's reported an error, downloading error, was not available, so I had to wait a second. After some time it started to download. The whole installation process took around half an hour, and you need only 860 megabytes to do this update, so not as much as last time. You won't have to delete all your music library to install this iOS 9. Even if you've got iPhone 5C with 8 gigs, you should be able to do the installation without any problems. So first plus for Apple for shrinking down the installation package this time. One thing that I hadn't told you is this update is available over the air, so you just have to find in general settings and updates. Your iPhone will tell you that there is a new version of iOS available. You will download this and install. The phone will reboot twice, and then as after every major iOS update, it will look like it was set up for the first time, almost for this first time. You will have to unlock your device, set the basic iCloud settings, give you Apple ID and passwords. You will have to unlock this with a code and your SIM pin, and basically you will be good to go. Well, basically, sort of, kind of, because another thing that you should do is learn the Siri how your voice sounds. So the Siri will ask you some question. You will have to say, "Hey Siri, hey Siri, hey Siri," just in order she could recognize your voice. Because we got another new feature. While your phone is charging and is connected to a charger, you don't have to press the button for the Siri activation. You just need to say, "Hey Siri," and you are good to go to give the commands. Works decent. I will cover this feature a little bit later, but the Siri setup process is also needed. Now, Apple claims that this iOS update will be major in terms of performance on your iOS device, and I have to tell you that I haven't noticed any slowdown like it was while I've installed iOS 8 on this iPhone, although during the life of iOS 8 up to the version 8.4.1 I guess, it became decently fast on this device. So the very same thing here. I haven't noticed a big speed bump while loading apps or doing anything on this device. However, it's smooth, the cards are running smooth, all the multitasking looks better in my opinion. It's changed a little bit the way the multitasking looks. While you are browsing the cards, you can see kind of sort of the applications are alive, not just frozen for the first moment you have left the app. So it works decently great, no stuttering. I can recommend this update for any iPhone 5 user. You shouldn't be angry about the slowdowns. Now, there are some features here. With iOS we've got this problem with no back button, and now we've sort of gained this feature. Now when one app takes you to another, in the upper left corner you can see return button, and it will take you to the first app that have launched the second one. So it's kind of sort of like having the back button on Android. Not as effective as that, but well, it's a feature added, so I guess we need to be happy about this. Now about the other changes, they have changed a little bit the font over the whole phone, and the letters are looking like they were a bit bigger. So I guess this feature was designed mostly for the bigger screen of iPhone 6 family. However, you can use this on the 4-inch screen without any problems, so I guess there is nothing to complain here about. And another thing that they've added is this low power consumption mode. So this what this does, it disable all the push notifications. You won't receive any emails. However, you will have a little bit more battery life for your phone if you are at the end of the day and you don't have the power bank as any iPhone user should have. So it does disable all the push notifications, such as your email and notifications from other applications working in background, give you a little more battery life. I haven't checked this because actually this iPhone's battery after 3 years is not as it was on the start, and I will have to replace it. However, it does disable some of the features, so the longer battery on battery time is what we are expecting. We also got an updated Siri, so as I told you, once you have your iPhone connected, you can actually give the Siri commands without touching the phone. So it works great. You can order her to start the music, to start composing an email, to stop the music. Basically you say hey Siri and you can give her the commands. Works decent. In my country, however, it doesn't work because no support for Polish language. However, you can use this in English if the Siri doesn't come with your language support for your country, for your language. It also been updated a little bit in terms of graphic. It looks like on iWatch, I guess. So the feature is great. Not sure if I'm going to use it because of some privacy issues. I have turned this on just to check this out. You can disable this in settings, so the Siri won't be hearing you all the time once you are charging your device. For it is conclusion time, and I should give you the final judgment whether you should, in my opinion, update or not. For some of you who are stayed with iOS 6, I'm not going to try to convince you. In my opinion, all the iOS 7 and 8 users should update their phone. It will be faster than it was on both 7 and 8. I guess it won't be faster than it was with 6, but we have a major features set change, so if you would like to get those features, definitely update. I would like to thank you all who have stayed to the end of this video, and would like to also inform you that I will be doing the very same video about iPad 3rd generation, also referred as the new iPad, so you will get my opinion whether how performance wise this looks like on this iPad. Guys, thank you very much for supporting, for hitting the like button, for commenting. Definitely leave a comment what do you think about this iOS update, and let's see us in the next movie. Thanks again and goodbye.